Welcome back to our channel. Topic today is cooling. The question is, what are the two types of condensers based on the cooling method? Option 1. Spiral, helix, and trombone. Option 2. Air-cooled and water-cooled. Option 3. Double tube and shell and coil. Option 4. Remote and chassis mounted. The correct answer is air-cooled and water-cooled. Explanation. The text mentions that condensers are categorized into two types based on the cooling method: air-cooled and water-cooled. Great job if you got it right. Keep improving your HVAC skills with True Prep AI Tutor. Download the app and start learning today.